Wonderful people, and welcome to Treasure Tech, the home of beautiful ideas and practical solutions. In this practical video, we shall be discussing about how to create or design a 3D ebook cover for you to have a successful ebook or content or data creating. You need to have an eye-catching ebook cover, and the app which we will be using in this training is called Canva. Canva is one of the biggest and successful ways to create ebook cover. So if you haven't gotten your Canva, you can go to Google Play Store to download the Canva. And I'm very sure in this tutorial or the video guide you purchase, you're going to have access to download the pro version of this particular app. Because we have the free version and the pro version. So for you to purchase this ebook or this training course, you have access to the pro version. So let's dive in and let's see how to create our ebook cover. Now once you open your Canva, it's loading and it finally loads. You have this interface, the templates, the design. Templates are different templates that you'll be needing or you need in this training, while the designs are what you've created before. Now for us to continue, we want to create an ebook or cover, so we need to look for ebook cover. You can just come to the search bar here and type ebook cover. That's the short way. So you type ebook cover, as you can see, and it's going to load as many templates as possible for you, which you will be needing to have a good and eye-catching ebook covers. Okay, you can decide to start from the scratch. You can decide to use any of these templates to create your own ebook cover. So let's go through and let's create our first ebook cover. Then we make it a 3D versions. So let's go with it. So you want to start from the scratch, then you click on the blank page. As you can see here, this is, you want to start from the scratch, but I'm going to choose from ready-made template and create a unique one from this. Okay, which one shall I use? Okay, let me okay, look for a very eye-catching and good one. So why you need to know what you want to create or what the ebook is talking about, then you choose something that would be more professional or eye-catching for the ebook creation. Okay, I'm gonna choose, I'm saying very good ones here. Saying good ones here. Okay. Let's check through. Let's see. We'll still have more, and we can choose from any of these templates. Okay, let me use this. anyone you decide to use, then you click on it. I want to use that, so I click on it and it loads to the next page where we are going to start to edit. You can see underneath, you can see edit. So you click on it to edit. You click on it, it opens and it loads for you to able to edit the ebook cover. So while it load, great. So this can be good for any kind of training. So let's say I love to put my brand, so click on the ones you want to write. I said these contents are together. If you want to separate them, then use this icon here to separate all the content. Okay, that is what that is for. So let me separate them. So we're going to click on it. You will see it's, can you see it has separated the old content from each other. So I can work on the first one to edit. So I love to use my brand, treasure tech, then the treasure tech. Let's say I want to use this, what should I call this, training. Let's say I want to call it how to make homemade yogurt. So I want to design it. It's a bit big. Then I want to change the size. Then I click on here to resize it, or just click on it then to resize. So let me click on the to resize it. You see, you drag it and you make it to where you want it to be. Okay, seems good like this. Seems perfect. So how to make, how to produce, how to make homemade yogurt. Then you can add other descriptions here. So let's say I want to write a complete guide to make yogurts. Then I always put your name. I love putting my name at the beginning of the ebook, so always make sure your name is there. Produced by Victor. Oh, I can remember. So in your own case, you put your own name, and that is what will be displayed. Don't put my own name, put your own name. You can try to reshape or to resize all these if they are not well, or you still need more space. You can just click on them to resize them, to reshape it. Okay, so I think it's perfect this way. It's perfect this way. Okay, it's good this way. So after you finish editing and making your video, then you come here to save your number. Okay, so you click on the icon, then to save what you have made, and you have this interface suggesting for you to save in this format. So you save as. Now let's click on it and it's gonna save. Can you see? So we need PNG, then we click on save, and it's automatically saved on our phone. Can you see? Successfully saved. Tap to view. So you can go to your gallery to view the ebook you have created. Now, having done that, how do we now make it to be a 3D? Now, you go to your Chrome browser. So you click on your Chrome browser. But once the Chrome browser is loaded, then on the search bar here you type in the following words. You type in DIY. Type in here. So what happens? Okay. So you type in DIY. Can you see DIY.com/3D mockups? Then you click on search and it's going to load that page for you. And once the page is loaded, then you now look for the, now we have different ebook 3D ebooks here, templates. So we have the single, we have the double. Here the single, okay, and here is the composite. So what do we do? Look at the single. Let's see what have the single. That's the singles. These are the templates we have for the singles. Okay. The while on the composite we have this. And you see we have this on the composite. Then now let's pick a good one that will be eye-catching. Okay, let's start with the single. Okay, now I click on this. I chose this and see that it highlighted. I click on it. Then the next thing is, after you click that, then you click on next. You click on next. So I click on next, it opens to the next portal, and then you have this interface where you need to put in the picture you want to use here. Okay, so what do? Click on browse and it takes you to your gallery to select the very ebook we created from the Canva. So you click on browse, okay, and so recent pictures, recent download, and we are going to pick, it's loading, there are a lot of works on this smartphone. Okay, yeah, it's loading now. So we not pick on that particular ebook we have just created from our Canva, and it's a bit slow. Why? So here we pick the particular ebook we have just created with our Canva, and it's load on the 3D mockup. Let's wait while it's loading. But once it's fixed, then it gets loaded, and you click on the updates. Click on the updates to update the picture you have selected from your gallery, and you will see it updates now. And you see the picture has finally upload. Then you click on next. After upload, then you click on next. Okay, this automatically give the 3D version for you instead of paying people to create your 3D for you. Now here you have two things, the PNG and the JPEG. Okay, I only go for, depend on what you want to do for. So let's go for the PNG and let's see what we are going to have. It's going to download right now into our phone. Okay, so waiting, it's, can you see the file is now downloading, and finally it is done. Then you click on open and you have your 3D mockup created. Let's see what we have just come up with. This is, wow, and then it comes, sorry for that, it's loading. Can you see the 3D ebook has been created just with this single website? So now go and create your own ebook and make your 3D ebook and start the journey to start creating and selling your digital products. Thank you for staying tuned. We are Treasure Tech. We remain the home of beautiful ideas and practical solutions. See you in the next video. Don't go nowhere.